Okay, I got a couple more panels up on my barn here. There should be a video coming later. Got a combiner box, but video of this is hello. Decided to get some chickens, and this is Chinese made junk. And you can see these are manufactured with these little holes here, and they have pegs and stuff, but there's only one way to put this together as it was, and they manufactured the holes on the wrong side. So now I have to drill some holes over here to extend the little chicken run. But yeah, this might be a start of a journey. I was thinking it'd be fun to put some paneling and maybe a little shade shed out there and get a couple steer. How's that sound? That's a pretty big leap, honestly, but it's on the radar. All this hyper processed food junk at the stores is just no good, and even the store-bought stuff, it's almost like you can't trust it. Hormones and antibiotics. So taking matters into my own hands here. Don't need to add extra work to myself, but I know chickens are pretty easy to take care of. I'm thinking 6 or 7 chickens and maybe a guinea hen. I think today's what, May 12th, 2026. Here's the roosting boxes. Got some straw to put in there. And I might end up with a couple pullets tonight. I think this is good for like 10 chickens. There's a little roosting bar in there where they can roost. I don't know. There's 3 more down here. There you go. And then there's a slide out cleaning tray here for your fertilizer. And then there's another roosting box on this side. So I hit the roof screws with a little silicone. I should have got some roofing cement, but little vents. I was going to use a bunch of pallets and build my own and try to save a buck like I always do. Ends up biting me in the rear in the end. But obviously this Chinese made stuff ended up biting me in the rear because that does not accommodate. Where's it at? Yeah. These doors with the frame they were in, so I'm gonna have to build up a little frame. But the good thing is I can get the dimensions off of the frame that's installed here, and that's the only place that frame would install because of the little wooden pegs and dowels and stuff. It would not accommodate it over here because there are no pegs and holes in the side of this style, and you couldn't flip it around because of the way it went together with other pegs and holes. So, story of my life here. All right, we'll see how this turns out. We'll keep you updated if I get some pullets, and we'll see if we can find some guinea hens. I forget the name. Guinea hens. I think they're called Keats. But I believe this is cedar too, so that much is good. We'll see how long it stands up back here. Good thing is it's on the south here. It'll be getting hit by the sun in the morning, but the rest of the day, it should be out of the elements. Here comes Miss Mare. Hi, Mare.